so hot. And guess where am I? I'm in the farm again. Oh, and do you still remember the planting of the rice vlog? Click the link above and you'll watch it. That was exactly 3 months ago. Before, what they use is manual harvesting. They use hands with a sickle. But I can show you, but I don't have a sickle. Anyway, just watch this video. See? It's so hard to do manual harvesting. Did you know that there's an advantages and disadvantages of combine harvester? Using the combine harvester makes the harvesting process easier by combining 6 operations such as gathering, transporting, reaping, threshing, cleaning, and bagging into one machine. Farmers have the power to harvest at their own time of choosing. No need to wait to available labor and no need to worry about approaching typhoons. By the way guys, another advantages is a big help for the farmers to save time and effort so they can harvest on time. The disadvantages of the combine harvester is very expensive for the farmer to buy it. So the harvester is usually hired out, and then the employment position of the local are now gone. Uy, may nagsisipak pala dito. Si Manang pala to.
Oo naman. Para mayroon panggatong.
Ay wow.
Walang panggatong eh.
Ang galing mo naman.
Oo. Hanggang malakas ang tao.
Wow.
Hanggang kaya. Magsiba.
Merienda time. That is also here? I can't believe it. Okay, just keep going.
Been on the run, there ain't no slowing me up. Winning, got the rings and now I'm running it up.
You can see guys, it is almost done. Not really. Wow! Ang galing guys! Andyan na yung palay sa sako ng Nahihirapan ka ba na mag-harvest ng palay?
Hindi naman masyado.
Okay naman. Ilang araw, ilan ka na mag-harvest ng palay?
3 beses.
Ganun. Thank you po.
Salamat.
As you can see guys, I'm in the combine harvester. And that's the first time I'm in here. Except I'm not even harvesting corn. Oh yeah! After 2 hours for 1 hectare, the rice harvesting is completed. They are just counting how many sacks they harvest. Kulas! Oh! Nabilang mo na ba?
Oh!
Ilan na ba nag-harvest?
95!
Wow! 95?
Yun, mag-read nga talaga. Oh.
Kuya, anong ginagawa mo?
Kumukuha ng sample, papakita ko sa buying station ko.
Ay, ganun. The total harvest is 95 sacks. And the owner of the harvester will receive 10%. So 95 and less 10% is 85.5 sacks of rice. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm tired and sleepy, so that's why I'm doing this for you guys. See you next time. Take care.